everyone, welcome to Cricut time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. Hey everyone, for today's tutorial, I will show you how to make this cute little jar just in time for Easter. For this project, you'll need some vinyl. Today I'm using permanent vinyl in white. You'll also need a jar to put it on. I want a glass jar for this one, so I can see the colorful mini eggs and chocolates through it. I'll start out by sticking the vinyl down to a green mat. I'll use my brayer to stick the vinyl down smoothly to the mat. Now I'll pop it into my maker. You can use a Cricut or Silhouette for this step. Grab your weeder tool and use it to pull off the background. Flip the mat over and peel the mat away from the vinyl to get it off. Take a piece of transfer tape, a bit larger than the design, and stick it on. Use your scraper tool to stick it down to the vinyl really well. Flip it over and pull off the backing paper. Now I can place the design into position. That looks good, so I'll stick it down. And I'll just use my scraper tool to stick the vinyl down really well. Now I can carefully pull off the transfer tape. This jar is done and ready to be filled up with some Easter treats. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.